Surprise chicken and broccoli bake is so good and it only has 3 ingredients, although you can add a few optional extras if you like. So before we go, I better introduce myself. So my name's Jules Clancy. I live in Australia. I used to be a food scientist, but now I'm a cooking coach. And I help food lovers simplify cooking with these 3+ ingredient recipes. Other things apart from the simplicity that makes my recipes unique is that I always include a list of variations. So if you don't have an ingredient or you've got different dietary requirements, you can adapt. With this chicken and broccoli bake, if you didn't have frozen broccoli, of course you could use fresh, or you can use other frozen veg, so something like frozen spinach, or it's really good with something like this frozen veggie rice. It's a mixture of cauli and broccoli, or you use frozen green beans, frozen peas, all good. If you didn't eat chicken or you didn't have any chicken, you could use pre-cooked proteins, so some boiled eggs. Meatballs are really good, or sausages, or even fish like white fish or salmon. If you're vegetarian, tofu works really well here, or you could use some canned chickpeas. And then if you wanted to make it dairy-free, instead of using the cheese dip, you could just use any of the dairy-free dips. So this roasted garlic hummus would be amazing, or something like babaganoush. So if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more recipes just like this one.